Understanding bold fashion choices. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic that you've probably heard before: bold fashion choices. This phrase is not only about fashion but also about expressing yourself and taking risks. Let's unravel what it means and how it applies to both the fashion world and everyday life. Stay with us to explore some colorful and daring examples. When we talk about bold fashion choices, we're referring to clothing and accessories that stand out due to their vibrant colors, unique designs, or unconventional combinations. These are not your everyday outfits but rather ones that catch the eye and make a statement. The key components of a bold fashion choice include uniqueness, courage in style, and sometimes, breaking traditional fashion rules. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone and wearing something that shows off your personality. Choosing to wear bold outfits is more than just about the clothes. It's about self-expression and individuality. Bold fashion allows people to showcase their creativity and set themselves apart from others. It can also boost confidence, as making these choices often requires a certain level of self-assurance. Additionally, bold fashion choices can influence trends and inspire others to explore their style boundaries. Let's look at some examples. Wearing bright, neon colors when everyone else is in neutral tones. Mixing patterns that traditionally wouldn't be combined, like stripes with polka dots. Accessorizing with oversized or unconventional jewelry, such as large statement necklaces or avant-garde pieces. Experimenting with unique silhouettes and structures, like asymmetrical dresses or architectural clothing. If you're inspired to try bold fashion, start small. You might incorporate one bold item into your outfit, like a brightly colored scarf or a unique hat. Experiment with textures and layers to add depth to your outfit without overwhelming. Seek inspiration from fashion icons or social media, but remember to make it your own. Your bold choice should reflect your personality and comfort level. Bold fashion choices are all about daring to be different and expressing yourself through your attire. Whether it's through vibrant colors, unique patterns, or unconventional designs, stepping out of your fashion comfort zone can be both empowering and fun. We hope this video has inspired you to experiment with your style and perhaps try something bold next time you get dressed. Thanks for watching, and remember to always wear what makes you feel confident and happy.